Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others work hard for years but never feel financially free? Money Unlocked by John Lee isn't just another personal finance book. It's a practical guide that helps you understand how money really works, and more importantly, how to make it work for you. Instead of telling you to simply save more or cut your daily coffee, this audiobook explains the mindset and strategies that separate financially successful people from everyone else. You'll discover why earning money is only the first step. The real secret is learning how to keep it, grow it, and make it create even more wealth over time. John Lee shares easy-to-understand lessons on building multiple income streams, avoiding common financial mistakes, investing with confidence, and developing habits that can transform your financial future. Whether you're a student, an employee, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, the advice feels practical and relevant to everyday life. What makes this audiobook stand out is its simple language and actionable ideas. You don't need a background in finance to understand it. Every chapter leaves you with valuable insights that you can start applying immediately. If you've been searching for a book that can change the way you think about money and help you build long-term financial freedom, Money Unlocked deserves a place on your listening list. Don't miss the opportunity to learn these life-changing principles. Check the link in the description to start your free audiobook trial and discover why so many listeners recommend Money Unlocked as an essential guide to mastering your financial future.